Hey guys, we are at Mama Daley's house and today we're making sorrel, which is a traditional Jamaican drink made from dried hibiscus leaves. You can brew it into a tea, you can brew it into a cold refreshing drink, or you can brew it into an alcoholic beverage, which we like to drink at Christmas time. And this is Mama Daley's living room. She's definitely in the Christmas spirits. There's Christmas everywhere. So this is the sorrel, sun-dried sorrel, 100-gram pack.
I prepare the ginger. You can use the ginger in the, just wash it if you're too lazy to peel them, but I peel it.
Yeah.
And wash it. And the reason why I crush them is because you get more of the juice out.
Okay, got it.
Right. Now you can, the amount of ginger you put in is how hot you want it to be, how spicy.
Yeah.
Ginger is spicy, right?
Yeah.
But I like it really spicy, so I put a pound and a half of ginger.
Pound and a half of ginger, okay.
Yeah, and this is 100 grams, so 100, I bought 300 grams, and 100 grams will make 3 times of this bottle, like a quart bottle.
3 of these?
Yeah.
Okay, so 100 grams makes about 3 wine bottles,
yeah.
3 large wine bottles.
Right, so this will make 9 bottles.
You're trying to make 9 bottles, okay.
Okay.
And so she saves them for herself and she gives them away for Christmas. That's why she makes such a large batch every year.
You boil the water first.
Yeah.
And then you just pour the
ginger?
The ginger in.
Yeah.
We have dried pimento seed. Pimento seed is a spice.
Yeah.
But we use that so it gives that tangy taste.
Mm-hmm.
We measure about this amount.
About this amount? That looks like maybe 2 tablespoons, I would say?
No, this is a teaspoon.
I mean the actual measuring cups, not the...
Yeah, right, right. But you're going to steep everything together.
Right.
So we pour the ginger in there, then we wash it thoroughly, put it over here, turn it off, pour the pimento on top and cover it overnight.
Okay, got it. So you're making a tea, right? Because sorrel can be drank with or without alcohol. Here it is in the sink. We're about to rinse it. The water is boiling. Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
And this is our pound of ginger. And then
peeled and washed with some pimento seed.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons of pimento seed that's going into the pot.
Yeah, then pour it in the pot.
Okay, we'll let that boil for 2 minutes. Then we're going to add our dried hibiscus leaves or sorrel. This is what it looks like. Okay, our ginger's been boiling for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to add our sorrel. This has already been rinsed. This is the 3 packs, so 300 grams. So we're going to give this a stir, and this is basically going to steep for overnight, right?
Yeah, overnight, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we strain it tomorrow and put all the ingredients in this. It starts to get red.
Yeah.
We gotta turn off the stove. We can't leave it boiling. And then it's steep now for overnight.
All right, so I will be back tomorrow for the next step, which is to add these ingredients. Here's baby Toni, and that's 8-year-old Toni. Mm-hmm. And this is baby Toni and Mama Daley. By the magic of editing, it is day 2. I'm back at Mama Daley's house. And here is the pot. Whoa.
It's like a rich red wine, eh?
Yeah, it smells really good. It smells spicy, like ginger. Okay, we managed to strain everything from that pot into this pot. She used 2 different strainers. This is all the trash left over. The hibiscus. Remember how small they were when they were dried? Mm-hmm. Now they're kind of swollen. And this, believe it or not, is the ginger.
Colored, eh?
Yeah, absorbed all the color. It's a little bit stainy. So now we have this huge pot of sorrel strained, and we're going to add the rest of the ingredients.
So we're going to add to it.
Yes.
A sweet tangy wine. You can put any wine you wish to put in there.
Yeah.
It's up to you, as long as it's a red wine.
This one is 18% alcohol. And then she's adding the strawberry syrup.
Strawberry syrup.
1 full bottle.
1 full bottle, so we don't have to use a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
And then you add this.
Add the wine.
A full bottle of wine.
One full bottle of wine. Is this the 750 ml? No, 1 liter. 1 liter of wine.
Yes. All depends how much you require. Now with the white rum,
the good stuff.
Overproof rum.
Yeah.
It all depends how strong you want it to do. You can.
You're gonna measure it?
Yeah. Well, this is overproof, and the wine already have.
How much is that? 1 cup?
Yeah.
1 cup, that's it?
If you want more, you want it stronger, then we put another cup.
Stingy.
We don't want to drink and drive, right?
Okay.
So we stir it and see what else is required. You can also put a bottle of stout in there, but I am not going to put stout in. But if you want it, it still helps to make it more tangy.
Yeah.
Tastes better.
Depends if you're a stout lover or not. I am, but most people are not.
I think it needs a little more sugar.
A little more sugar?
So if it needs more sugar, I'll put some brown sugar. Not white sugar at all, just some brown sugar.
Okay.
Keep that tongue taste going. Ahead one. Remember, this is a full pot, so
Yeah.
it's not too much. Now, if you want to give your neighbor a nice Christmas present, you get a nice bottle like this. Fill it up and put a nice bow on it. Now, you want to give your neighbor a nice present for Christmas, just this is good.
Beautiful.
You put it in a bag and tie a nice bow on it.
Yeah.
Something different.
Good cheer.
Yes.
So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the point where you would just taste it and add sugar, like my mom said, to your taste. But we don't like it too sweet, just enough.
Yes, and if you want it to serve a little longer, you can put a little more pimento seed in the bottle and just a couple grain of hard-boiled brown rice.
Okay.
And it helps to preserve it.
To preserve it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can really just bottle it, put it in the fridge, and it will last
a year.
Pretty much a year.
Yeah.
Yeah, so usually my mom will give me a bottle. I'll put it in the fridge, and then the following Christmas, I'll crack it open with the girls. Just make sure you get bottles that seal really well. These corks are good, as well as these mason jars. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our Jamaican traditional Christmas drink from our house to yours.
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas to you, and have a wonderful, wonderful New Year. All right, that's it.